Today guys, I show you how to download YouTube videos on your mobile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Also make sure guys you check UFO 187 English Masterclass for more interesting content and more interesting guides. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open YouTube app on your phone, find video for download and you will see this like me. Just scroll here right and you will see here download, click on it and you will see download on HD or middle. Just go here HD and go try here for free. YouTube Premium is the best way and legit way to download YouTube videos. Just go here, try here for free, add your payment info like me, and after press you download, your video will be downloaded and your video is here in your library. Just move here down on you and you will see here downloaded videos and your videos are here. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download YouTube videos on mobile on legit way. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.